Welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. I am astrologer N Baksh here to bring you Aries' exclusive 2025 predictions. This year is set to be vibrant, guided by the fiery energies of Mars, the planet that strongly influences Aries. Being a 9 year, which is ruled by Mars, you may feel this intensity even more. However, it is essential to remember that while Mars brings passion, ambition, and courage, other planetary movements, including Rahu, Ketu, and specific Nazarat, play their part in shaping your year. Each aspect, from financial growth to personal development, will be influenced by these celestial alignments. So let's explore what 2025 holds for Aries. While Aries won't directly face Saraswati this year, Dhaiya's impact could affect some of your ambitions and long term goals, especially when Saturn casts its shadows over certain phases. This influence suggests a need for cautious planning, particularly when making big decisions in your career or investments. Patience will be your greatest asset, as Saturn's effects can sometimes delay results. Your finances in 2025 will fluctuate in cycles, influenced by Mars, Venus, and Jupiter at various times. Here's a month by month look. January to March, with Venus's favorable position, you're likely to see an inflow of cash, perhaps from unexpected sources or previous investments. However, avoid impulsive spending, especially in February, as Mercury's retrograde might cloud your judgment. From April to June, Mars enters a favorable house, highlighting good opportunities for investments, particularly in property or real estate. However, Rahu's position warns against high risk ventures. Stick to safer options, especially in the stock market. From July to September, a slowdown may occur as Saturn's shadow influences financial gains. You might face delays in payments or issues in liquidating assets. Use this period to reevaluate your spending and saving strategies. October to December, Jupiter's positive aspect can bring good returns if you invest carefully, especially in traditional sectors. Avoid crypto or speculative ventures during this period as they may be volatile. December is an excellent time for charitable donations as they could bring prosperity. For business persons, Mars's energy makes 2025 a bold year for Aries business owners. Fields like technology, digital marketing, and renewable energy may be particularly beneficial. Rahu's influence suggests caution in industries like cryptocurrency or highly volatile tech startups. Instead, consider businesses tied to sustainable development or AI technology. For corporate sector and job seekers, the career outlook for Aries professionals looks promising. Promotions are likely in April and August when Jupiter and Mars align favorably, especially for those in management and engineering. Relationships with higher ups will be important. Build these carefully, especially mid year when Saturn's influence could create misunderstandings with authority figures. For financial market and crypto, given recent crypto trends, the year looks unfavorable for speculative investments. Mars may give an initial surge, but Saturn's Nazarat warns against risky moves. Consider safer investment options for long term security. Let's talk about your love life and relationships. For romantic relationships, Venus's strong presence throughout the year brings a vibrant, exciting time for romance, especially from May to July. Singles have a high chance of meeting someone special, potentially someone who challenges their perspectives and offers growth. However, Mars's influence may create occasional clashes, so patience is key. For married Aries, this year will require balance. Mars may stir up conflicts in January and September, so avoid unnecessary arguments. If nurtured, relationships with your spouse can flourish under Jupiter's guidance, particularly in shared projects or travel. Family dynamics may shift, with Saturn urging you to support elder family members. Rahu suggests occasional misunderstandings with siblings, so focus on clear communication and empathy, especially around April and August. Travel opportunities abound in 2025. Business trips will be particularly beneficial in March and November, with potential for new partnerships and client meetings. For leisure travel, Venus favors trips between June and September, ideal for relaxation and reconnecting with loved ones. However, Avoid long distance travel in February and December due to Rahu's placement, as it may lead to delays or obstacles. For Aries students, 2025 offers promising opportunities for academic growth. Rahu encourages exploring new fields, and Jupiter suggests success in subjects related to finance, technology, or environmental science, fields likely to stay profitable and relevant. Distractions may arise mid-year, so staying focused and maintaining a disciplined routine will be crucial, especially during exams. Health-wise, Aries natives will feel Mars's intensity. Physical stamina is high, but stress could affect mental well-being. Prioritize activities that channel energy constructively, like martial arts, swimming, or long walks. Saturn indicates vulnerability to headaches or joint pain, so endure a balanced lifestyle, incorporating regular exercise and stress relief practices, especially around September. That concludes our in-depth look at Aries in 2025. From financial gains to personal growth, this year holds immense potential. While Mars drives you forward with passion, the influences of Saturn, Jupiter, and Rahu remind you to stay grounded and balanced. If you found these predictions helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sitaro Ka Safar for more insights. Join me, astrologer N. Baksh, as we explore the stars together throughout the year. Here's wishing Aries a fantastic and fulfilling 2025.